Are you struggling to sell more of your products and services? Well, it could be that you are violating a few very, very basic concepts. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips that can help you sell more of your products and services, guaranteed. So stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time that you have been on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I want to make sure you get access to these videos when I put them out. All right, so here's what it comes down to. Everybody wants to sell more of their products and services. And there are a couple basic things that if you violate these things, you're not going to make a sale. So let's go ahead and dive into the first one. All right, so tip number 1 is actually really, really easy. And I share this with my students all the time. But the big question is, what's in it for them? That's the tip. What's in it for them? You see, everybody comes to a call. Everybody speaks a universal language. And that universal language is, what's in it for me? You're watching this video right now because you're thinking, what's in it for me? So when they come to you and they are talking to you about your products and services, they're thinking, what's in it for me? So you have to approach it that way. Your prospect does not care that you want to make money. Your prospect does not care that you need to make money. If you come there with that mindset, your prospect will smell it. They'll smell commission breath all over you and they will not be interested. They're going to push away. So here's the thing. The goal is to find out what it is they want to accomplish. What is it that they need to accomplish? And then you have to answer the question to yourself, can I actually help them get there? There are times where I've been on calls with people and they tell me what they want to do. And I've been very, very quick to say, no, I don't think I can help you with that. That's not what I do. That's not how I approach it. See, I could very much go after the sale and probably get it. But why would I want to do that? Why would I want to sell somebody something that's not going to genuinely help them? You see, when you start selling things to people that they don't genuinely need, you start creating a lot of enemies. So always find out what's in it for them. Think about what's in it for them. How can I help them achieve what they want to do? And you do that by asking questions, all right? So that's tip number 1. Always remember what's in it for them. How can I help them get where they want to go? And if you can answer that question and your product is a fit for that, you're going to make a lot more sales, all right? So let's dive into number 2. All right, number 2, very, very easy. Benefits, benefits, benefits. All right, so one of the things that a lot of people do when they start to sell, okay, is they start to talk about features. There's a big difference between features and benefits. So features, this vitamin has vitamin D, C, and, omega plus, whatever. Okay. And you start talking about all the ingredients. Okay. Or it might be, hey, this car, it's got all these little features and all these little things. And while that might be cool, the main reason you have to find out is what are the benefits to them personally. So this really ties back in to number 1 as well. But imagine if you approached a whole situation like, you're selling health and wellness products and you go to that person and you find out what are they struggling with? Their energy's low. They find themselves very sluggish in the early afternoon. These are problems. So can your product address those issues? So if you can help them to see that, hey, this could potentially help you have more energy in the morning where you could get rid of coffee altogether. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to get rid of my coffee. I like my coffee. But the point is that if people struggle with that in the morning, that's what you address. That's a potential benefit to them. So again, you get this by asking questions. Find out more about them. What are they looking to do? What are the problems that they're having right now at this moment? Okay, by doing that, you find out and you can share the benefits with them. Benefits over features, okay? I'm not saying you shouldn't talk about features, but Ben, you should be talking about the benefits way more than you're talking about the features, because benefits are how it's going to benefit them personally. And that is how you sell more products, all right? So let's get into number 3. All right, so this is kind of a unique one, but don't sell from your heels. Okay. And where you're kind of back like this. And that's kind of what I mean by that. But here's the thing. When it comes to asking for the sale, a lot of people get tripped up. I've seen people and I've heard people before, their mouth starts quivering, their chin starts chattering because they're nervous about asking for money. But here's the thing. This really should be a very natural transition into asking for the sale. And that is, on the first one, if you've really focused on what's in it for them, okay, and you've really asked the right questions, finding out where they want to go, what are they trying to accomplish, and you feel very confident that your product or service can be a fit for them, and you've really focused in on what are the specific benefits to them, this should be a natural progression into, okay, well, I can tell you we definitely can help you, and here's what it costs. When do you want to get started? That's really the question that you want to ask. So it should not be a hard transition in there, especially if you've asked the right questions. Okay, so the only way you're going to get good at this is by doing it over and over and over again. So don't avoid the phone. I love automation. I'm the king of automation. I love doing automation, but I'll tell you what, that's only about 80 to 85% of my business, maybe 90, somewhere in that range. But I'll tell you, getting on the phone, connecting with individuals is one of the key things that's going to help you sign up more people, sell more products, and really have a greater impact in the marketplace. So, are there any other tips that you have? If you do, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know them. And just for checking out this video, I've got a free gift for you. It's called my 14 Messenger Conversation Starters, or 14 Conversation Starters. And basically what they are is if you struggle talking to prospects, this will help you. It's got 14 different questions that you can ask people, whether you're selling high ticket items, coaching, if you're in direct sales or affiliate marketing. These will help you no matter what across the board. So go ahead, go to markharbert.com/14 and you can download those right away. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.